guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a informative video. It is how to put on false lashes. The best thing ever. They look like butterflies on my eyes. It was just a lot of, you can do this, you can do that. This will make it much easier if you do this. This video is for beginners and maybe people that are just wondering how I put on my false lashes too, because there are many different ways that people put on false lashes. I have people that put on lashes a lot different than I do, and it's totally fine. It's to your preference, but this I'm just telling you how I put on my lashes and what is the easiest for me. Some tips and tricks to maybe not make it so long. If you would like to know how I put these bad boys on, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're talking about lashes today. For beginners that don't know how to put on false lashes, no, I am not a master of false lashes, but I do put on false lashes pretty often. So to start off, you're going to need a pair of lashes. Yes, I know I suck. I don't have them in the case. I don't really keep them in the case. I keep my lashes in a medicine case. This can be another tip that is pretty helpful. I keep my lashes in a medicine case because it stores them really well. I don't have so much lashes where I forget the name of them, so I can look at my lashes and know the name and where they're from, but that's because I don't have that many lashes. If you have a ton of lashes, which most people probably watching this video don't, because this is for beginners or people that are struggling in general, but if you do have a ton of lashes, maybe this isn't the answer because you could forget the names of the lashes. If I wanted to show you a tip, I have a pair that I'm probably never going to use, but I use them. I have a few pairs of these for clients that I do. I have Ardell Naturals because a lot of clients will be like, I want lashes, but I want natural lashes. So I keep a few pairs of these. If you had your case of them, if you were to put these on, but were confused which eye goes on which, it goes on exactly how it goes in the box. This lash goes on this eye and this lash goes on this eye. Most lashes will have the smaller hairs in the beginning. That's the ones that go on the inside, and the ones that are on the outside are the longer lashes. Most lashes will cat eye kind of out with the longer lash in the end, but I have some that are equal on both sides, so it's hard to tell. Next, that I can't show you because my lashes are already cut, if you were opening a box of lashes and we're just gonna pop them on, don't do that. You need to, I'll take one, this is cut to my eye. I would measure it up to my eye, and if the lash was, whoa, not like that, take my mirror right here. It obviously isn't gonna stick, it doesn't have glue on it. I'm not ripping off the glue that is already there because that's what I'm going to tell you in a different step. You'll measure it to your eye, and if it is basically hanging off of your eye, not a good thing. It'll make your eyes look droopy rather than upright and nice like lashes should. Lashes can take like any makeup to a different level. You can do a natural makeup, and I can do no eyeshadow, no eyeliner, no lipstick, no nothing, just foundation and base. I can sometimes wear lashes with absolutely no base, and it just makes you feel good. It can make a natural look turn into a glam look. Lashes do a lot for makeup. If you have lashes that you have used before, rip the glue off. I actually usually don't use tweezers to rip them off, but most people do recommend using tweezers, so I'm going to recommend you doing it because I just rip it off with my fingers because I'm lazy. But if you want to be careful, which you should always be careful and take good care of your lashes so they last longer, use a tweezer to rip off the glue. I have these cute tweezers that have a little lady on them. As you can tell, there is excess glue on my lash. So these also are by Huda Beauty. The Huda Beauty is basically the only lashes that I wear. I tried Lily lashes the other day in the style Miami, and I like them, but I missed my Huda Beauty ones. So be careful. You don't want to rip the lash because I've done that far too many times. Bang, bang. These are in the style Samantha. I like the style Samantha and I like the style Scarlett. Those are the two that I have tried. These are actually kind of custom made lashes. I had lashes from Huda Beauty that broke, but I loved the ends of them. I think those were the Scarlett ones. The ones that winged out a little bit more in the end, and it broke in half, so that I had the second half of the lash. As you can see, the lash is a little thinner over here and thicker over here. I glued another end to the end because I wanted it to cat eye out a little bit more. So I kind of made a Lauren lash, if you would say. Now we have our lashes that are cut to our eyes and not dirty. Here's a difference in most videos about putting on lashes. If I am doing lashes before school or if I am in a rush, I do this. When you put lash glue on, you need to let it wait for at least 30 seconds so it can get tacky. If you put the lash glue on and put it right on your eyes, it is just going to slip around. It's not going to glue until 30 seconds until it gets tacky. So you're basically just putting it on and having it slide around and doing a lot more work than you need to. So I am going to use the House of Lashes glue. I like this glue a lot. It is the same price as the Duo glue. Take the glue and put it on your lashes. But what I have on my face right now is foundation, concealer, and powder. I don't have any contour, blush, or highlight on, and that is the point. I'm going to put the glue on the lashes and I'm going to bronze up my face. That should take about 30-45 seconds. If you do it in the right time, you should be able to have it just be tacky enough and you're not wasting any time. I'm going to put them down and I'm going to grab my bronzer. I'm just going to bronze up my cheeks. need to curl my lashes. So I'm gonna bronze up one side, curl my lashes. You curl them so they are going in the same direction already. Your lash will be going up, and hopefully you got eyelashes that don't droop down. If you curl your natural lashes, they're gonna already be going in the same direction as the fake ones. Now put on some mascara. You can try to put a thin layer on. You don't need a hugely thick layer because you don't want it to get clumpy, and it doesn't really matter what your natural lashes look like because we're putting on fake ones for a reason, just so they'll be black and sticky to stick to the fake ones. I use the Benefit Roller Lash. Our lash glue should be tacky. And then take a mirror, put it downwards, close one eye. I usually stick the end down first where it should be, and then so I don't pull my skin, because pulling your skin gives you wrinkles, and I don't mess up my makeup, I take a beauty blender and I pull it sideways just a little bit. If you put the inner corner too close, you'll notice throughout the day, your eye over here will get very irritated. I'm going to take tweezers and I'm going to curl it again. I'm not going to necessarily curl it, but I'm going to push them together. I'm just going to touch them, squeeze once. Now that we have our lashes basically on, I kind of just push them together with my finger. You can also do this with tweezers. Also, another thing to mention, when I do my lashes, my friend Skylar is always like, you don't use tweezers to actually place them on. A lot of people find it easy to grab the lashes by the tweezers and do the exact same thing with placing them on. I'll try to do the tweezer thing by holding it and putting it on the eye on the other side to see the both ways you can do it. I don't like doing it that way. Some people prefer it. Really doesn't matter how you place it though. Fingers, tweezers, you're doing the same thing. My last hack that I usually do, I will close my eye. It's much easier if you have a wand, so you can just draw it on, put some little glue on a bobby pin, and it'll do the same thing. And put glue right on the end. And then I do the same thing on the inner corner. I'm gonna put you down so I can look into my mirror. You can see my floor. Shut up. I know you're looking at it. Just don't mention it, okay? Please, this once. I hope you can see. And then put lash glue right on the inside. Because the majority of the time, if your lash is lifting, it is going to be on the inside or the outside. Okay, so I looked up at my face and I'm absolutely shook. There's a bunch of black stuff everywhere right here. What the frick is that? I'm genuinely so mad. Oh. We're gonna ignore it, okay? I have my mascara on. I didn't put bronzer on because I was freaking out about the side of my face being black. So I have it on tweezers. I absolutely hate this. I'm gonna put my camera down. You're gonna see my floor again. No big deal. Close my eye. It's whatever you find easier. I'm just giving you options, you know? You got options. You got options on Glamorous Massacre channel. What more could you ask for? If it's too close, you're gonna blink and you're gonna realize it because it's gonna hurt and it's gonna irritate. It's not like you can be like, Lauren, I don't know if it's too close. You're gonna know if it's too close. Also, while it's drying, if you feel like it's going like it's a rainbow, like it's coming in and then it's going down and you're looking sad and it's not like upright and nice and like cute, like while it's drying, this one's still drying a little bit, push it upwards, push it, push it, push it. Shush. You look happy even when you're like,
why are you mad?
Don't I still look happy? I think I still look very happy. And for the last step, this is optional as well. Obviously, when I close my eyes, you kind of can see the glue. So most of the time, I take a black eyeliner and I make a black line and it totally hides the glue. Whenever you look good, you feel good. It's just how it goes. If I'm going to school with lashes on, usually I don't do it. Like, I don't care if they're like, ew, there's glue on your eyelid. Glue on your eyelid. Eyeliner glue. Team. Do it on the eye that you did first because that one will be more dry. If you put it on the inside corner, it will match with where the band is because the band is a little bit thick. If you can tell, it goes black, pretty thick, and then it goes just down to my skin. So I match it usually with the band. My glue is hidden. Gone. I'm using Helia and blue. Green, blue, green, blue. Wow, wow, wow. Why is it going everywhere? And this is the finished look if you do all my steps. If you're telling me you don't feel good with false lashes, you're lying to me. Tyler always tells me, you look like you're gonna fly away. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this look, please like and subscribe. If you would like to see more informative videos or tips and tricks videos, leave it in the comment section below. If you have any other ideas of videos that would be like this for beginners or tips and tricks of any other stuff that you would like to know, just let me know. I did this video because my friend Maria told me that she really wanted to do it, and it was literally only one person that asked me to do it. If you ask me to do it, I'll probably do it. I like you guys a lot. Thank you guys so much for being here, and I will check you in the next video. Bye!